Hey neighbor, still paying that minimum amount on your credit card? Congrats! You just bought your banker a new yacht. Look, that minimum payment is a total trap. You think you're paying off debt, but 90% of that cash is just interest. You're running on a treadmill that never ends. Then there's the limit increase trick. They call it a reward, but it's just a bigger shovel for you to dig your own financial grave. Don't fall for the hype. And the worst part? Ghost interest. Miss one day? Boom. Those small coffees you bought suddenly cost as much as a steak dinner. It's insane, right? The fix? It's simple. Pay 10% more than the minimum every single month. It breaks the cycle and it starves the bank. Be the glitch in their system. Check your statement right now. How much did you pay in interest? Drop the number in the comments. Let's see who's winning this game.